Hi there, I'm Bo from Boutique Realty and I'm coming to you from Park Ridge. I'm going to show you this duplex. On the left hand side there's a 3-bedroom, and on the right hand side I'm going to show you the 1-bedroom. So it includes its own lock-up garage. This is your front door. It has security screen. So air-conditioned living and ceiling fans. Comes with the dishwasher, electric cooking, and a large fridge space. Now that is your laundry in the cupboard there. Main bathroom. A little better. And master bedroom. With ceiling fan and again air conditioning.